All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this course, on how to grow your Facebook fan page, regardless of the niche, regardless of what you want to basically, generate it around. There's a way to grow it, and I just gave you the formula. Now, I wanted to make this as short and sweet and to the point as possible. No fluff, to save your time, but teach you how to basically do it. And you'll start to see here that this has already started to gain likes. But you're literally just looking for that one post. So just to recap, you're going to post whatever it is around your niche, and use stock photo sites to get pictures where you don't have to run into any, ownership problems. Then you're gonna figure out your demographic, create your target audience, boost that initial post. You're gonna continue to do that over the weeks and potential months, depending on how long it's gonna take you, for $1 a day. It's not very much. Once you figure out, slowly what's working, what isn't, hone down your demographic like I showed you, and then once you finally figure out that one post is all it takes to really grow your page. You're trying to figure out that one post, that one demographic that works. Pour the freaking fire on it with money, whether you want to spend 20, 30, 40, 100, 500, whatever it is, doesn't matter. You do the math and scale it up to whatever you want it to be, and that will basically gain you likes and follows on that potential post. Then from there, what you're going to do is remember to invite the people that liked it, and that's how you're going to grow your page. So scrolling back down, we're going to continue to invite these people, just like I showed you, by clicking on them and inviting them. And then they're going to come and like your page. It's literally that simple. And that's how you grow a Facebook fan page here in 2018 fairly cheaply for about $1 a day. I hope you really, really like this course. I put a lot of thought into how I could deliver it to you, with the most, time sensitive as possible approach. If you like this, please give it a good review. That obviously helps it rank on Udemy's platform, and I'm really, really grateful for it. If you have any, constructive criticism, please message me and let me know so I can improve it. Maybe add a lecture here and there on the course. I'm always looking for ways to improve the course. And as always, if you have any questions, like I always say, drop them in the course Q&A, shoot me a message and ask me directly, or email me at Brian, that's Brian with a Y, at bgmediainnovation.com. But I hope you really, really enjoyed the course, and I will see you guys in the next one.